English sentences used in daily life. Basic, daily, and common sentences. English learners spend a lot of time learning complex grammar structures and advanced vocabulary and may end up with language that is too formal for day-to-day conversations. Native English speakers often drop words, use the imperative, and relax their speech when speaking English every day. Daily speech is different from formal speech, and common daily phrases may not always be taught in English lessons. It can be challenging to mimic this type of language in a study situation, which means that most English learners are unfamiliar with daily English phrases. In this blog, we will take a look at basic, daily, and common English sentences that you can add to your daily speech to sound more natural. If you're a busy student, you might want to make study easier. One helpful way is to pay for essay online, which gets you expert help when you need it, so you can focus on improving your language skills. English sentences used in daily life. Below is a list of common sentences that native English speakers use daily. English speakers usually ask questions, reassure other people, offer help or advice, and give instructions when speaking daily. Questions are a great way to start a conversation or to check how someone is. Statements like, "Let me know when you get there," are little acts that show we care about the person who is traveling. Learning these questions and statements will help you understand English and be understood by native English speakers. Common daily questions. We ask many questions every day, from "How are you?" to "Can I help you?" and "Can you believe it?" We ask questions we want answers to and rhetorical questions too. If you want to master daily English phrases, then learn how to ask questions. 1. Call me when you get home. 2. Don't forget to buy milk. 3. Call me back when you get a chance. 4. That's so annoying / frustrating / wonderful / exciting. 5. He's forever complaining about this country. 6. On my way. 7. Be right back. 8. I'm just popping out quickly. I'll be back in an hour. 9. I'm exhausted today. 10. How stunning is the weather today? 11. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember. 12. No thanks. 13. Yes, please. 14. I'll check if I'm free. 15. It's been one of those days. 16. Don't jinx it. 17. Thanks a million. 18. Don't worry about it. 19. No sweat off my back. 20. I'd rather stay at home tonight. 21. What miserable weather we're having. 22. Don't stress. 23. It doesn't matter. 24. It's not important. 25. Don't let it bother you too much. 26. All good. I can't complain. 27. I see where you're coming from. 28. I don't agree. 29. 100%. That's exactly how I feel. 30. I really hope so. 31. I doubt it. 32. Never better. 33. Let's get going or we'll be late. 34. Please be quiet for a second. 35. They're making so much noise. 36. I can't concentrate. 37. I can't think straight. 38. I can't wait to unwind this weekend. 39. Things are looking up. 40. Well, at least things couldn't get worse. 41. So far, so good. 42. It's all good. 43. What a waste of time. 44. I need to go to the shops today. 45. Let me know if you need anything. 46. I would love to. 47. I don't feel like it. 48. Bless you. 49. You're being ridiculous. 50. Just let it go. 51. It's okay. 52. Thank you. 53. Let's do it.